Okay, now that it's all done, I'm going to show you I put some new nuts on the exhaust with new gaskets. This brace here holds the exhaust. It all came down in one piece. All one piece. And the 4 bolts up there. So you need some help putting this back up because it's all one piece. Okay. Other than that, don't do the stupid thing I did and put the carrier bearing in upside down on your first shot, because you'll obviously find out very quick that the shield won't fit because the carrier bearing is too low, and obviously would never run like that because the slant of the drive shaft is too far down. So anyway, not bad. A little frustration there with that carrier bearing, but as you can see, there's not a whole lot to remove here. There's only 4 bolts that hold this heat shield on. There's 4 bolts here, those 4 up there on the exhaust, and these 4, and the whole exhaust comes down. And luckily this one's in pretty good shape. It's not real rusty down here or anything. So I think we're ready for a road test.